Dun 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 dun. Ah, this is good fun. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Hey guys, Jameson. Oh my gosh, Jameson versus AJ here. Hey, we're having some fun with a sledgehammer. Okay. Well, let's get on topic. We'll go smash some stuff. Sledgehammer. This thing is extremely heavy. It's like Thor's hammer. JK. This thing, really strong enough. You can crack anything with one hit. Technically. So let's go crack a dog's head. I'm strong. Hey dog, let's crack your head now. You have a better idea. Let's look for something else to crack. That's my better idea. I don't want to be mean right now. Here we go. Ow! Cracked. I should totally like make Minecraft in real life and have a hammer in it. This would be fun. Good fun. Here's another rock. Wow. There we go, cracked. Let's crack everything we want to crack. This thing. Move, dog. Oh, I missed. I shall not. Oh, cracked. They're cracked. Here we go. Miss, no. There we go. 3. It's fun. Next thing you know, the government comes to my door. This is illegal. I don't care. Did I just say that? I care. Maybe we could have some fun. Go up this ladder. Oh crap, I'm falling! Sledgehammer, save me! Yay! Save me. It's helping me climb. If I fall. No. Don't do this. She said got out! Jamie! Jamie! Hi, Chloe. I don't know why I went up here. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm about to fall. So I'm gonna try hitting that rock. I hit it, didn't break it, didn't do anything. Now we can play some baseball. Baseball time. Baseball time with Jameson. Baseball time. Baseball time with Jameson. Baseball time. Baseball time. Baseball time with Jameson. I'm back, dogs. I won't want to move this dog. Cheesehead, go! Go annoy someone else! Fine! You idiot! I'm gonna hit you! You idiot. Here! Cheesehead, go annoy someone else! Okay.
Chloe, get that extension cord out here.
Woo! Now it's. I did not. I suck with the sledgehammer. It's too heavy. Break this move, dog. Once and for all. Ow, my back. Ow. Didn't break it yet. Didn't break it yet. Didn't break it yet. Missed. Broke it. Conquered. Oh! And there's a stalker. Huh,
I don't know.
sure. Ugh. I missed. Woo! This is fun. Try to get this thing in the dart. Crap, that thing's rock solid. Dang! One more time. I missed. One more time till I hit it. Missed again. Yeah, that thing's invincible. What?
I'm making these decorations.
No, not really. That's how I can beat them up. See if I can break this. Dang. One more time. Ow! Ow! The sparks. Chips. Whatever you want. Ow. That hurt. Let's get my dog's toy broke. That thing's rock solid. Okay, then. Wow. Okay. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed. And me and baby girl, we'll see. Baby girl, you have to be in the outro. Whatever. Me and baby girl, we'll see you guys later. And she got on the bed with me. Hi. And also, I failed that. And also, guys, one more thing before we leave. If I get enough subscribers, I'm gonna make like an army, a nation or something. Like I can make like a Jameson and AJ army, Jameson and AJ nation, whatever you guys want. Leave it in the comments below what you guys would want. Or a nation or army or whatever you want it to be called, be named. Yeah, anyway. See you guys next time.